take all the fun out of it. Take all the fun
What?
out of it. I have no choice.
It kind of comes back to, you said you'll give away all products to protect the real estate commission.
Yes, I will burn the house down.
And
The mortgage industry is going through some changes, but we don't want anyone's house to burn down. We love our grandparents, but at a certain age, Grandpa starts talking a little crazy, but we love him anyway. I'm Ryan Owens, your KW Mortgage Emergency Recovery Specialist. Do you have a deal that's going down south because you kept it in-house? Is your red day turning into a dead day? Well, I want to help with that. I want to protect my agent partners as well as my buyers' funds to close. If you have a deal that needs some recovery, I want to be your man. Call me, Ryan Owens.